Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to set up a simple UI button that is going to change the color of a cube into a random color. So first we'll start by setting up the scene. So let's create the UI button. You will probably have to import TMP Essentials first. And let's position this button a little bit better. And we'll make it a little bit bigger by adjusting the width and the height. Then I've already prepared a button to put in a box so that it's next to the button. So this cube is just a simple cube. It's a cube that you can create by just creating a 3D object and then cube. I've already positioned it in a way that it's just easy to see. So now that our scene is set up, we can create the C# script. You can do that by going to create and then C# script. So we will call this change cube color. And then we will edit the script. So for this script, we don't actually need the start function and the update function. The only thing that we need is a public void change color. So what we do here is we need to get the component of the renderer. Then inside of the renderer we need to get the material, and we're going to change the color into a new color. So here we can say random.value for each of the RGB. And this is all we need for the change cube color. So inside of the view, we will actually select the cube itself. Then we will drag the change cube color onto the object, which is now on there. And then in the button we actually need to add an onClick event. So this is going to handle any clicks that we actually perform. So we'll add one of them, and then we can drag the cube into this little box where we can select the function that we just created. So we've added change cube color to the cube itself, and then with change cube color we are actually going to select this change color function that we just created. It's important that the function is public or else it wouldn't show up here. So we'll click this one, and now that it's done we can press play, and when you will now click the button it should change into a random color every time you click. And that's it. Simple way to create a button and change the color of a cube in Unity.